Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out another product, unboxing and doing a review. This is a Trianium stick-on magnetic car mount. If you have a phone that has a metal plate on the back, you can put this mount in your car and that way it's magnetic, it sticks to the phone. Here it is right here. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Let's open up the box. Here's the mount right here. So this is the magnetic part. So if you have a phone that has anything that's metal on behind, it will just, yeah, that's a strong magnet. So that's pretty strong, like it's not coming off. Now I guess if you got in like a car accident, God forbid, it would probably come off, but it feels pretty strong that it wouldn't kind of have to pull it apart there. But anyway, that's what it looks like. And this part is gonna, you know, adhesive to your dash or whatever. And we'll go out in the car and, you know, I'll try it out there as well. And it looks like there's a little cord holder right here where, you know, you charge your phone in the car. I guess you can route the cord through there to kind of hold on to it. So that's kind of cool. Let's look at what else is in here. We have an instruction manual. Not sure how much instructions you really need for this. I mean, you basically just peel and stick. And these things, I believe, are this is probably going to be some metal plates if your phone doesn't already have metal on it. Whereas, like, my phone already has a metal part in the case, so I don't have to do anything with these. But just to let you know, these things do come with it. These are just metal pieces, and I'm not sure what these are. I guess there's something sticky right there. And then this looks like another extra adhesive, I guess, if you, I don't know, you want to move it to another car and you need another adhesive or something. Alright, so the first thing is take like an alcohol wipe, if you have one, and clean off wherever you think you're going to put this thing. Like, I'm considering either putting it here or maybe there. I don't know, I'm going to have to look with my phone here. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right here. Hopefully it will stay. I mean, it gets pretty hot here in the summer, so I don't know. We'll see how long this thing lasts on there without coming off. Okay, well, there it is. I don't know, I might go back to the vent style one because I just don't think this is gonna hold on here very long. I think this is going to eventually come off, and this car doesn't seem to have any really good places to put something like this that I can tell. I don't know, we'll see how it goes, and I'll make, you know, an up-to-date review. If it doesn't work out, I'll let you know, but thank you for watching.